Global Slavery Index has ranked Botswana at number 64, with a 0.52% of our population believed to be living as modern-day slaves. In 2017, a mere 6% was added to minimum wage, and that is excluding farm work. My name is Mmakgosi Anita, and join Cinescent Media as we discover, unfold, expose, and explore exactly what minimum wage has manifested into, which is modern-day slavery.
Am I the one who goes to a play? No one who took him.
He proposed to me, he wants to meet me, but I'm thinking, what's the rush? I thought you said you want a man. He is a man.
Is this how you're gonna treat me when we're married?
What do you need? Go fast and see what you're
Can you rehearsal?
Hey, Kabola. Kirawe.
You still don't insecure on again.
Yes, because I love you.
And
You said you love me.
Laura Serurubele Itaya Mokhoma Uhule Thobo Inti Barobi Khabayo. You're the vision foretold by rainmakers, storytellers that dance to the threads of rainbows leading us to the pot of gold. Sirurubele Same Laura. Laura Sirurubele. Once locked in the captivity of a cocoon, your thirst for growth hardened the edges of your spirit. Like a bud with missing petals, you retraced the story of your blossom. Kajaloche, you will never be forgotten. Laura Sirurubele. Give your wings a go at flying. Remember, the brain print of intellect is scarce. Be fireful. Don't be watered down by what's to come. If it be ashes that you become, remember to embrace the phoenix